that week of the year. Okay. Somebody's birthday is coming up on the 25th.
Yeah, baby.
All right. And it's going to be a mega one, you know. I
Yeah,
want to say
the big 4-5.
that's what I'm saying. Big 4-5, man.
But I will always be younger than you, my brother.
Yeah, that is true. That is definitely true, man. Man. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cruising with a Case Handler. It's a show on personal injury law. My name is David Squeeze Anarchy. I have been a broadcaster on this station since September of 1996. That's 93.5 FM. I'm quite sure we're on many other stations. Got to say much respect to One Love Radio, Busy Radio. Also got to say much respect to the folks down in Florida, Super Jams, and also WAVS and many others. The show basically it has become where we feature a lot of true success stories. Now, what are those? Those are people who have actually gotten into automobile accidents, construction accidents, trip and fall, and many other accidents. And they decided to go with the number one personal injury attorney in the universe.
That's me. That's me.
Dubbed by DJ Nico and yours truly.
That's me.
And they are very happy. And that man happens to be Adam Handler, also known as the Case Handler. Let's just hear a word from him. Let's hear what's happening this week and next year and maybe indefinitely. And will happen indefinitely where accidents are concerned. Adam.
Yo, brother. Yeah, listen, you've been doing this since September of, you said 96?
Yes, sir.
And I've been doing it since September of 2005. So I'm not, like I said, I'm always going to be younger than you. You'll always have 9 years on me, whether in age or exposure and experience on this great radio station. But the point is, this community has embraced me. I've embraced them back. How many different ways I can say it. We do this show every day. And a lot of it is saying the same thing, right? Just kind of like promoting my legal services, letting everybody know that I'm out there to help them, of course, regardless of their immigration status, letting them know that I've obtained over 160 million. Last year it was 140. The year before that was 130. That number goes up, thank God. But the one thing that is always fresh, is always news, is those true life success stories. And I love them. I know you love them. Whenever I post one on social media, on Facebook, The Case Handler, or Instagram, The Case Handler, you're always reposting it or commenting, and I really appreciate that. But, every day there's something new. I was on the way into Brooklyn Supreme Court, Kings County, on Monday, and I was talking to DJ Nico, and I said, I love my job because every day there's something new to experience, something new to do. And I love my job because, while nobody really likes Mondays, Mondays are exciting because it's a clean slate. Who cares what you did the last week? Who cares that you settled millions of dollars of cases the week before? It's what you're going to do this week. So I was heading into court, and we had a trial scheduled for February of 2023. So this was our last settlement conference. And we wound up settling the case for $300,000. It was a case that they initially had $25,000 on. Can you imagine? I walked into that courthouse on Monday with a $25,000 offer, and I walked out of that courtroom that day. It took about 6 hours. I was there with a $300,000 settlement. So we've already started the week off amazing. Last week, $1 million settlement, $450,000 settlement, $200,000 settlement. But these numbers represent individuals that had lots of choices, that were injured in an accident through the fault of somebody else, and made the very, very smart decision by reaching out to your boy, Adam Handler, the Case Handler, at 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. So there you have it, hearing from the Adam Handler. Okay, definitely taking care of business. Let's pop myself back on the screen right here. I'm a much better looking guy, not because he's got the years on me, that doesn't mean he's better looking than yours.
I have a client calling. Let's see if she wants to come on the radio with us real quick. Should we sabotage her? Hey, good morning. I'm on the radio with Squeeze. Can I put you on speakerphone? Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why this show is amazing. We're not going to use her name. Squeeze, say what's up.
Hey, what's up, Mary? That's what I'm going to call you. Mary, how are you doing?
Can you hear us?
Yes, I'm hearing.
All right, you're live on the radio with me and Squeeze right now.
Because I called her Mary. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, so why are you calling the case handler, the #1 attorney on the station? Why are you calling him? Saying happy holidays?
I got so much.
She's going in and out. I can't hear her. Adam, you're muted. You're muted.
Here we go.
Okay.
So he muted you. So say that again, because that was so nice. What would you have to say about to the thousands of people right now?
That you are the man. Mr. Amber is a man. Anywhere, he's there for you.
And let me ask you a question. When you call, even if I'm on the radio, I pick up, don't I?
Absolutely, absolutely.
And that's a big.
You care for your client.
Yep, I'm a family guy. You know, that's the difference. You know, lawyers, you may never hear from them. If you contact my office, ma'am, you know what's going on, right?
Yes. Yes, we do.
All right. Adam, can you not lead the witness for a minute there and let me speak to her, please? Okay. Hello. So how are you, darling? What do you think of Adam Handler overall at his office?
That he has a heart. He's compassionate. He's genuine. It's not all about what comes out of what a case he represents us for, but he care about people.
Okay, now.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a very important question. All right. There are many attorneys on this radio station and on other radio stations. Many attorneys on billboards, newspaper. Many attorneys who reach out to people. Why him? Why him? You know, why not another attorney out there? You know, why not another attorney on this station? Why is it you go with Adam Handler?
Why I go with Adam Handler? There was no corners you have to cut. He's just straight up. He's gonna tell you, and he's gonna work his butt off to make sure that you are okay.
I love that. I love that.
If you know what I mean, and then they tell you something, and then afterward it's something else. It's the real deal.
So you have that. You know how some attorneys can be flip-floppy. Yeah, I know about those attorneys.
Right.
Flip-flop. They say one thing, then they say another thing. I've heard people complain about those kind of attorneys. Hence the reason why sometimes people, they call up Adam, trying to switch to Adam to find out if he can take over their case. But Adam, thank you so much for having this lovely lady on the radio, impromptu.
Let me call you back when I get off the radio, okay?
Okay.
All right, cool. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. All right. I mean, that's the best, man. I mean, listen, it's that was not scripted, ladies and gentlemen. That is impromptu client calling. And you know, I'm like, let's put her on the radio. So it's all good. And she's on her way to big money.
All right. So, she's on her way to pick up money. Oh, wow. Good. I'll tell you what, Adam, do me a favor. Can you read him up, as we would say, a testimony while I give out your phone number, which I think is one of the most important things that we need to do on this radio show. And you heard DJ Jer in each hour, making sure that you get Adam's number and a testimony here and there, ladies and gentlemen. There's a reason for that. It's because I personally don't want you to go to the wrong attorney on the station or off the station. There are many attorneys running top of the hour and all about and everything and changing the voices. 1 minute they're screaming, the next minute if you're hurt, no, the real deal is right here. I mean, seriously, you don't have to listen. Well, if you are hurt in an injury,
the screaming.
You don't need to do that. Don't even take Adam's word for it. Don't even take Squeeze's word for it. You can call us idiots before you go to Google and do a review. Before you listen to the true success story of the people. You don't have to succumb to all that. You know, listen, marketing psychology. I mean, I studied it. You don't have to succumb to all of that. The most powerful marketing, ladies and gentlemen, is the testimony of someone that has used Adam Handler. That is the most powerful. So with that said, let me give out the number. Then Adam is going to drop a testimony or two before we kick it back to our regular program schedule here. The phone number for Adam Handler is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. For all intents and purposes, and where I'm coming from, and many people coming from, just like the lady who called, he's truly the most powerful personal injury attorney you can have representing you within the Caribbean community and beyond. DJ Nico says the universe. 844-774-3529. Let's hear a true success story.
Sure, why not?
The perfect personal injury lawyer in the game right now is the case handler, Adam Handler. Went for the full amount, got it. He's a bull in the courtroom. Definitely cohesive, has a cohesive team behind him, and is super accommodable, amiable as well. You want nobody else on your team. It's been a roller coaster. It hasn't been as long as everyone thinks it is. It's super clean with Adam, like super, super clean. I'm obviously excited. I've been trying to hold it in for the longest, but I can't at this point, no. He's just the best.
Wow. Yeah, you know, I mean, I heard that guy is the adjective God, all right? You know,
I know.
perfect. You know, all these.
I think he's like a lyricist. You know, I feel like he'd be very good at just getting up there and just freestyling. You know,
Absolutely. Can we get one more before we conclude, Adam?
you know, Squeeze, only for you because I love you.
All right, man.
Well, I can tell the world is Adam Handler, nobody better than Adam Handler. I was in a situation which I was in coma for 29 days, on life machine for 25 days. My back been broken to 7 places. I have a broken leg 2 places, 3 broken ribs. I got a stent. If I should continue, I don't stop. But this man, he make everything possible. Right now, today, I'm a millionaire, all because of Adam Handler. Thank you so much, bro. You make it happen.
Wow. I mean, nothing can make up for one's injury, but when Adam can turn someone into a millionaire by doing the right thing by the people and their family,
Yep.
I respect that. I respect that. And that's what I'm saying to everybody. So, people, the number for Adam Handler is 844-774-3529. Do not be confused, okay? Don't confuse Adam with the other attorneys on the station. They're not the same. If his name is not Adam Handler, you've got the wrong entity, the wrong person. If it's not the case handler, you've got the wrong entity. Don't be confused. You know, many people have made the mistakes, and we're here to actually, clear that up, fix that, make sure that doesn't happen. So listen, the number is 844-774-3529. Dial it, let it ring, store it, 844-774-3529. And this holiday season, we want everyone to be extremely safe on the road, safe on the job, safe in life, period. But accidents will happen. They are going to happen. It's a part of life. However, make sure that you are prepared by having the number one attorney's number in your phone, because you have only got one chance and one choice. And there is only one case handler, and that is Adam Handler, your personal injury attorney. With that said, prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome. Adam, your words before you go.
Case handler says so.
Kia Sangla says so. 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, have yourselves an amazing day on behalf of Adam and myself.